Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace the window regulator on a Honda Odyssey. Start by disconnecting the battery and setting the door glass to a safe position. Remove the door panel carefully, keeping screws and clips organized so you can reinstall them. Lay out the replacement regulator and compare it to the old unit to confirm fit and motor orientation. First, remove all visible screws and use a trim tool to gently pry the door panel loose. Work around the perimeter to release plastic clips without breaking them. Tilt the panel to access electrical connectors, then disconnect switches and harnesses and set the panel on a soft surface so it stays scratch-free while you access the inner door components. With the panel removed, support the glass using tape or a wedge to hold it in place. Unbolt the window from the regulator and remove the old regulator and motor assembly carefully. Install the new regulator, attach the glass, and reconnect the motor. Reconnect the battery briefly to test window operation and alignment, then finish by securing bolts, cleaning the track, and reinstalling the door panel when everything works smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.